Hi world, welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Phase, and those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. So today it is that time of year and we are doing crazy DIYs, crazy DIYs. And this one is going to be which one am I doing? Oh, this one is going to be the pumpkin hair mask. So it involves 3 different ingredients, super easy, things that you're going to have in your household anyways during this season. So yes, I am definitely not opposed to putting crazy stuff in my hair. It's just something normal for me, and especially if it's a little bit more natural, I definitely love to do it. As always, you should be testing this out on your skin just to make sure that everything's going to be okay. So why did I choose pumpkin? So 2 years ago I did sweet potato, which is not too far off, and I really did notice the biggest difference in moisture levels. It has some natural oils in it, so it's very nourishing to the hair. So another reason why I chose the pumpkin is because of that. So it's loaded with lots of great vitamins like vitamin B, which is great for blood flow. So it's circulating the blood very nicely. It's good to create hair growth. So, you know, with good circulation, you're going to have a lot of good nutrients going up into the hair. So it's a great stimulator in getting the circulation going. Another great thing is that it has potassium and zinc, which is just good to maintain a really healthy hair. It's strengthening the hair follicle and just making it a lot more durable to all the things that we do to it. And then of course, just it helping it grow with all its nutrients, and then of course nourishing it with all its natural oils. So I'm also combining this with honey. So it has 2 tablespoons of honey. So again, it's gonna add that sweetness for not sweetness. It's gonna create a much more like stickier thing to the hair. Of course, with all of its natural benefits as well. And yeah, I mean, it was actually a lot easier to put on than the sweet potato one. So I noticed it was a little bit more waterier, which is great, and it has a lot less chunks in it. So that's always awesome. And then of course, in addition with the coconut oil, it's definitely going to add more nutrition and more moisture to your hair. And especially for those of you who live in really cold areas, this is so critical because everything is drying out. Your skin's drying out, your hair is drying out, everything is just facing the elements too much. And then we're going from hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. It's gonna take a toll on your hair. So yeah, let's get to it. Of course, always don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and sharing is caring. So let's get to the fun.